Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial of Abacus Learning channel. In this channel, I am explaining lesson number 2, that is small friend addition. When and how to use small friend addition on the abacus. Okay, in the previous video, I already explained how to take the beads like 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit, so on. Let us revise again how to take number on abacus frame. Now we have to take the number 24, means take 2 in tens digit place. Take 2, 10, 20. And 4 in ones digit means, that means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then what is the number? This is 20 plus 4 means 24. Again we have to take the number 354. That means 3 in hundreds digit place means 1, 2 and 3. 5 in tens digit place 5 and 4 in ones digit place 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then what is the number? 350 plus 4. 354. Okay. Firstly we are doing the simple addition as take. Firstly we have to take plus 1 means 1, then add plus 2, 1 and 2. Then what is the number? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Again we have to take plus 5 means take 5 and add 2 means 1 and 2. Then what is the number? 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Let us take plus 2 means 1 and 2. Again we want to add 2 means 1 and 2. Then what is the number? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Stuff like this, whenever we need to add a particular number in ones digit number, we have to representing number available. Simple practicing of beads make kids more friendly with abacus with the beads movement. So the first formula concept by using abacus is small friend addition. When do we use small friend addition? Let us check. So the first formula concept they are using on abacus is small friend addition. So let us check when do we use small friend addition. Let us start with example. Suppose we are repeating addition of 3. Let us start. I have 3 beads available. Take 1, 2 and 3. I have done that. Suppose if to add another 3 in it. So I don't have requirement of another 3 beads. I have only 1 bead is here for addition. So to add 3, what I need to do is I can use this 5 available with me. Whenever we are having the shorten of lower beads, we can use the upper beads with the help of small friend addition. Then what is in this case? We can use small friend addition, that is plus 3 equal to plus 5 minus 2. For addition of plus 3, take the upper bead value 5 and subtract the surplus value of 2. That means you have to subtract the 2 beads from here. Subtract 2, 1 and 2. Then what is the answer? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. So let us check what is the surplus value. Suppose we want to add plus 1. We want to add plus 1. But 1 bead is not available. Then add plus 5. After adding plus 5, there is surplus of 4. So this 4 becomes the small friend of 1. This 4 becomes the small friend of 1. And this is also surplus value in 5 after keeping the 1 that we needed. Okay. Similarly, 3 becomes the small friend of 2. 3 becomes the small friend of 2. Actually, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Like that, 1 and 4 1 and 4 are small friends of each other. Similarly, 2 and 3 are small friends of each other. So for the addition of 1, it becomes plus 5 minus 4. For addition of 2, it will doing plus 5 minus 3. For addition of 3, it will be doing plus 5 minus 2. For addition of 4, it will be doing plus 5 minus 4. So let us see how it is using on the abacus. Suppose I having the number 2 with me. That means 1 and 2. Suppose to add plus 4 in this, but I do not have 4 beads in it. But I have 5 available with me. So I take plus 5 minus 1. The small friend of 4 is, we have to take plus 5 and subtract minus 1. Then what is the answer? 2 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Similarly, I have number 3 with me. 1, 2 and 3. And I supposed to add 2 in this. But I do not have enough beads available with me. That I add plus 5 and subtract the small friend of 2 is 3. That means here I have to take plus 5. Take plus 5. And I have to subtract minus 3. That means 1, 2 and 3. Then what is the answer? Plus 5. Okay. Let us revise with some examples. Take plus 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose I want to add plus 1, but here no beads are available. Now we have to use the small friend. That means plus 1 is equal to plus 5 minus 4. That means plus 5. Take plus 5 and subtract minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is the answer? 5. Okay. Now we have to add 4 plus 2. Take 4 beads. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose we have to add plus 2. But here beads are not sufficient. Then we have to use the small friend of plus 2. That means plus 2 is equal to plus 5 minus 3. That means take 5 plus 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Then what is the answer? 5 plus 1, 6. That means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. So the concept is very easy while teaching this to kids first. They have to understand what they are using, and the next thing is they need to learn who is small friend of the practicing digit. They need to by heart small friend formula. It is very easy. That is, firstly we take 5 fingers of any hand, that is left or right. Whenever they are supposed to find the small friend of 1, firstly have to take 5 fingers. That means take 5 fingers. Then we have to know what is the small friend of 1 means close the 1 finger. Then what is the remaining fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is the small friend of 1 means, that is 4. Okay. Let us check with another example. What is the small friend of 3? That means take close 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. How many remaining fingers are there? 1 and 2. Then what is the small friend of plus 3? Here how many numbers are there? We are having 1, 2. Then what is the small friend of plus 3 means? Minus 2. Okay. In this way you have to revise. For the small friends, we have to revise more and more times. It is easy to learn and by heart this formula. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and follow my videos.